Okay, my name is Kroizman. Hello. I'm from Be'er Sheva, the sunny Be'er Sheva, from the contacts team. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about something that is related to testing that not many developers know, mutation testing. I think it's a great subject, but let me do some name dropping so you don't have to take my word for it. Maybe I'll do it like this. Okay, so what Uncle Bob thinks about mutation testing. So Uncle Bob, the author of Clean Code and one of the greatest advocates of TDD, he always told us to write a test before we write the code. But in an article from a few years ago, Uncle Bob says, in the article conclusion, as hard-nosed as I am about TDD as a necessary discipline, if I saw a team using mutation testing to guarantee a semantic stability of a test after suite, I would smile and nod and consider them to be highly professional. That is, Uncle Bob recognizes that mutation testing is such a good tool that it is even safe to use to write a test after the code. So let's see some code example to understand the principle. So this is the code and a valid test. And we even have a score coverage of 100%. And the test goes to every statement in the code. So what if by mistake I make this change? Maybe I was trying with debugging and trying things. I got confidence with the code because I have 100% coverage. So I made this change, but this change, it passed the test, but there's a bug. And it means that I have a missing test because the current test suite didn't catch it. So actually, it could be very useful to do a mutation and see that test pass, then we understand that there is a gap in coverage. So what if instead of by mistake, we can do it intentionally? If we can take the code, mutate it, and then run the test suite, and see if nothing fails, then we can understand there's a coverage gap or a missing test. So we can change, in this example, the 18 to 100. We can change greater than to less than. And after each mutation, we can run the test suite and understand if something is failing, then it's OK. And if something is not failing, we have a missing test. So instead of us doing it manually, there is a tool that is called Striker. Out of the box, Striker supports both JavaScript and Scala. Coincidence? I don't think so. I think fate wants Wix to use Scala. No, not Scala. To use mutation testing. Scala, what is the Scala? So mutation testing with Striker give us the report in the end. On the right side, we can see a screenshot from the report that Striker did this mutation. We can see the 5 mutation Striker did. Out of the 5 mutation, 1 mutation passed, the one that we saw earlier, the one that did return true, passed the test suite. So this reduced the score from 100 to 80 because it's 1 out of the 5. The report also shows us that we can do a drill down to see exactly the mutation. Here we see highlighted in green the mutation. So as you understand, the Striker will run the test multiple times. Each time it will do a mutation. So this can take quite some time. Striker is smart enough to do optimization to only run the test that relevant to each mutation, but still don't expect Striker to be fast. In summary, Uncle Bob loves mutation testing. Mutation score is a really good tool to understand of missing bugs and missing tests, and you should really try Striker. Thank you.